to Tamera and Sunny's vlog channel. If you are new, I'm Sunny and my mom is Tamera. And today we're going to be opening this giant Amazon box. I don't even know what's in it, so can't give y'all a sneak peek today. So let's get started on it. Quality of life in one machine. Highly new. Yeah, and then take
So secure, it's secured.
Properly secure, because that does not look like something you want to drop on the floor. So we're gonna take out all of this.
This is the main.
Trim Duncan.
So this is your main piece.
There's your on and off button. There's pieces to blend here. And you can watch your juice be juiced by the juicer.
Alright, so I'm guessing opening, like so. And this bit goes over here.
We gotta twist it like we did with the ninja.
If only we would read the manual.
I wonder why we should do that.
Oh, you simply press. Then it goes there. And your two outlets.
What's your outlets for?
The outlets, one is, they are not the same size. So one goes here to collect the juice and one goes to collect. Well, this is the juice. You gotta open, how do you open it? Oh, you slide down.
Modified.
You slide down. Slide down to get the juice. All right, we aren't testing it out today. Juice cup. Okay, so the juice cup is the smaller one. They say it has anti-drip.
Anti-drip?
The brush is onto the inside. So you twine. There is a brush to help with the cleaning.
I'm a unicorn.
All right, you guys, that
Nay.
is it. All right, you guys, we are not going to use this today, but we will come back on here to show you guys how we're using it. But do get into the manual. Like, I'm gonna go into the manual just to ensure that I know exactly how it works. We've been wanting one of these for the longest while. Someone had reached out to me about reviewing one, but that didn't work out. My husband's like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it because we wanted to start not drinking the regular juices. So go into your manual and be sure that you're learning how it works and how to clean it. And based on the reviews that I've read and just by looking at the parts, I can tell that it will not be very hard to clean. It did say though that it cannot crush fruits like cane, as hard as cane. We're not going to be putting any of that in here, so we're good. I think it's something that we're going to love. It does have a 1-year warranty on here. I will be putting the link in the description box below. So if you found anything on here helpful, do give us a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts down below and ask any questions, because by the time some of you may see this, we've already been using the cold press juicer. All right, stick around for part 2 when we get into actual juicing.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment down below how many times I said special and wonder.